channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Dolls Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another unboxing. I remember I told y'all I was going back to the other Hobby Lobby to see if they had another Chuck Pinson I wanted, which was seized today. Seized the day. Boom! I got it! Oh my gosh, this is a round. You could tell by the circle there, but also the pink. And there's the price that it was. And guess what, guys? I waited a week and got it, and it was 40% off again. So I think I paid $35. So let's get into this baby. Let's see. Yes, seize the day. All right, got a little extra hang there. Let's get that off of there. Same warranty. I love it. I got to do the other one. I forgot to do it. Of course, it gives you that sticker again. I love it. Here is the toolkit, the normal toolkit. There's no placer in here. It's just got the wax, the blue drill pen, the squishy baggies, and the clear tray. Love it. Here is the picture. It's got a little overhang here. That's okay. That's not what we're keeping. Wow, seize the day. This is another Chuck Pinson. It is 74 centimeters by 55 centimeters, which is 29.1 inches by 21.7 inches. It's a round with ABs. It has 46 colors. And look at this beautiful scene, guys. Can y'all see that? OMG. I absolutely love it. I love the cabin. I love the sunburst up here. That's the sunset or sunrise. Got the deer out. Got a little boat that's out there on the lake. Got some geese. Look at these boats here. I love it. And on the back of that one it says seize the day. Got a little fishing tackle there. A fish, look like a bass, jumping out of the water. Oh my gosh, I love when I'm at a cabin and waking up to a scene like that. It's just so beautiful. Seize the day. So let's get into this. I'm excited to see. Canvas is beautiful as ever. Ooh, here's the drills. The instructions that also has a coupon code inside. And I'm just going to roll it the other way. Oh yeah. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Chuck Pinson. I'm trying to get all his. I done ordered so many on Diamond Art Club. Waiting for them to come in. What is this? Extra. All right, let's look at this baby. OMG. Of course, y'all know I can't get it all on the screen. I just turned my air conditioner on. I had the heater on. Y'all know how that morning be cold in your craft house, for those of y'all that have a craft house. And then next thing I know, I was sweating. I'm like, oh my Lord. And I warmed up outside. So anyway, look at this. OMG, look at this cabin. What really attracts me is the glow in the cabin. The sunrise, just the water, it looks so peaceful. It's like, this is where I want to vacation, you know? You can see the little deer here. The boats look good. All right, so let's lift up these sides and get it a little bit flatter. And before I do that, let's look at the drill field. Of course, we never have issues. This is a round. And you can see the schematics here. It says seize the day. R means round, AB, Aurora Borealis. And there's the dimensions again. It's a Chuck Pinson by Diamond Art Club. Yes! The symbols look great as usual. And I gotta hang this up so it'll flatten out. Let's do this side. And of course they have the legend on both sides. Love it. Wow. I am absolutely loving Chuck Pinson. And y'all know that's going to be my next one that I do. The vein already started on it by the time y'all see this video. Let's see. This up. I am loving this. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Now let's see. It says 2 ABs, 129 and 130. Oh, wait a minute. It looks like 3 ABs. Are you serious? There's 3 ABs in this, guys. Anything, remember, anything under 150, so 149 and down is AB drills. So 129, 130, and 141, which is a light yellow, a yellow, and I don't know what color that is. Maybe that's white. We'll see when we get to it. Oh my goodness. Nice, nice, nice. So let's flip this over. Let's look at these drills, guys. I have got to see these and those ABs, right? And now I am in my new chair. I finally got my chair, guys. And it is perfect. I mean, height. It's a drafting chair. So it is beautiful. I love it. Now, it's not pink. I'm not happy about that. Every time I tried to get the pink one, it was sold out. And then, of course, I got impatient. And I'm like, listen, I need a chair. The other chair was irritating me. So my husband put it together and it is working great. It's great on my back. Oh my gosh, I love it. Anyway, we're here to watch. Look at this. I love how they mark the drills. So when you put it up in your storage area until you're ready to drill, you know which ones go with that canvas. Now let's see if I can get it open. So I'm going to see these babies. I absolutely love Chuck Pistons. I know y'all hear me say that. And we're going to put this baby back in there. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There are 1, 2, 3 trains. All right. There are 3 trains. So let's get to it. Oh my gosh, look at these beautiful colors. We're going to flip it over so we can actually see the numbers. This is 890, and that is a green, like an emerald, like a deep forest green. That's beautiful. Then 3776, 937. We're going to have lots of earth tones. 310. Is that the only 310? OMG, I love that. Yes, for some reason, boy, I don't like that a lot of 310s. I get kind of, which I've seen a lot of people do. When you're working with the same color blocking the same color, you get be like, oh my gosh, I'm still working with this color. You know, you don't want to get turned off with doing the kit. So that's why I say that all the time. Oh yeah, I only got 1, you know. But all those long ones, I got like 7 310s. You're like, oh my Lord. But anyway, that's 310, the black. 407, 935, 301, 3856. And those are the bigger bags. Then we go to the medium-sized bags. It's a long train. And we got more brown. 975, 3371. That is like a dark chocolate, a milk chocolate. No, not a milk chocolate, a dark chocolate. We got 2 of those, double trouble there. 3371, 3860, 3346. Oh, I like that. It's like a moss. 3861, 3864, 300. That's a milk chocolate. 779, 938. Boy, these browns. 938. Oh, we got 2 of those. Another double trouble. Uh-oh. Then we got 498. That's a red. That's like a cranberry red. Ooh, there's the first AB. 129. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. It's like a very light yellow. Oh, that's pretty, guys. I know y'all see that extra coating that is on these ABs. That is so pretty. 3855, 3347, 351, 3854, 3823. That's another. That looks like it almost the same as this one. It's just a little bit brighter than the ABs. And then we got some gray, 644, and some more red, 321. One more train. So the other AB has to be on this one. The other 2 AB, remember I saw it was 3. All right, we got some cranberries here, 814, and there is 141. It is a white, guys. Look how pretty. Do y'all see that extra coating? That's the other AB. It's a white, 141. Not a lot of those. Then we got 322, 832, 704. It's like a lime pea green. 799, 895, 350, 3814. Ooh, I like 3814. That teal color is beautiful. 3811, it's like a baby blue. 833, 743, 992, that's another teal. 900, 312, oh, that blue is pretty, so we know that goes in the water. The little lake, it's a deep blue. 3733, it's a pink. 3755, like a baby blue. 3824, 993, and the last AB. Oh my goodness, 130. Look at that yellow. It's like eggs, like scrambled eggs, doesn't it? But look at that shine. Oh my gosh. Yes, 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 yes. Those colors are beautiful. Let's take a look at where these colors will be. All right, so number one. Hold on, guys. That is Amazon again. Number one is the 129. That's that light yellow. Let's see where number ones go. A light yellow. Okay, I see it here. Number one is outlining this sun ray here. It's the outline here, all here. Got some here. Let's see. I think we got some here. Just these two little spots right here. Number ones. You got some number ones down here in the water. Let my pink pig fall. Pushing it. Got some number ones here in the water. It's like a reflection. Oh yeah, it's all up and through here. The light white, light pink, pink, light yellow. Oh yes, throughout. That's probably why we have a bigger sized bag. And then the number twos is that darker, that egg color yellow. That's the number two, and it's here. Let me see. I thought I saw a number twos up here. No, there's no number twos there. Let's see. Wow, really? Where are the number twos? Wow, it's hard to find the number twos, guys. I thought they would be here, but that's not number two. Really? Let me go back up here to the sun ray. Because I could have sworn I saw some twos in here. No. Wow, guys. I can't find the number twos. Now that is yellow because we looked at it. Wow. That's very odd. That I don't see a two. I got my finger right on it. It's only right here. So these are flowers, I think. Let's look at the paper here. Yeah, those are flowers. Looking at the sticker, twos go right here in these flowers, sprinkled right into flowers. Wow. Well, at least we got enough, y'all. So we can always use those on other kits. This is a round, you know, so. Okay, and then the last AB is 141, which is white, and that's the number threes. This whole area right here is threes. I absolutely love that. That's gonna be beautiful to have that extra shine there. Let's see if we see it in any other place. I see it on the boats. Outlining right here around the edge of the boat. Oh yes, that's gonna be nice right here. Putting a little bit, it don't look like it. Yeah, a couple of them right here on the steering wheel of the boat. Some on the ducks, tail feathers, yeah. Very nice. Oh, I'm so excited to get started on this one too. but it's not gonna be, this is not the first one. Y'all know which one I'm doing first. Absolutely love it. Y'all let me know what you think. Of course, I will be bringing you more. I've ordered so many. This is ridiculous. Some of them are on back order, so I don't know when those will be shipped. But when I see them available on Diamond Art Club, I just snatch it, because I don't know how long it's going to be before I see it again. And I've been doing this for a while, and some of them just became available, so I did snatch some, and y'all will see those when those come in. But y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye bye.